Ate Cha, pag-usapan naman natin yung social media. Kanina nasabi ko na, Nice Print has been setting trends, di ba? Kung paano i-shoot yung mga wedding videos na yan. Tapos yung mga posting, mga itsura ng mga poses, whatever, capturing the moments. Paano nag-change or paano naka-adapt yung Nice Print dun sa rise of the social media? Kasi instantly makikita nila yung gawa ninyo.
Tama. In general, ako as the CEO, I'm always just keeping an open eye to everything. Like kailangan hindi ka maiwan eh. Kailangan observant ka.
Mga reels na kasi ngayon,
Oo,
di ba?
Oo. So you have to adapt. And but ever since way back, siguro isang strength ng Nice Print is mabilis kami gumalaw. Mabilis kami gumawa, alam na alam mo yan, my love. I always think kasi as a past bride or as a mom na nagse-celebrate ng birthday ng anak, syempre pagka nag-party ka, gusto mo makapost agad.
Yes.
Natural. Yes. Lalo na sa social media age, hindi pwedeng matagal, mabubulok.
Real time.
Mapapanis, girl. So ang bilis namin. Parang talagang lahat ng coordinators sinasabihan kami yung pinakamabilis mag-release ng official photos and videos. Because I take it to heart that my clients, hindi naman natatapos yung deliverable mo sa wedding day.
Yeah.
Ang dami naming deliverables after. So I have a very strong back office team who works halos 24/7 to produce all those content for you.
Alam mo, curious ako, ate. Ilan na tao sa back office mo?
Right now, we have about 150 people.
Wow.
150.
Wala pa dyan yung mga photographers and videographers sa abroad,
Ilan ang pupunta sa isang wedding? Nyari, ilan ang totoka mo sa isang wedding?
Naku, nagtatanong na si Mikey.
Oo nga. Interesado.
Curious lang ako, curious.
Nagpe-prepare.
Ilan ang totoka mo sa isang
manood ka nitong episode na to.
Mga between 8 to 17.
Okay.
Depende.
Depende kasi sa
kung gaano
package
kalaki.
tier.
What was the biggest wedding that you covered? Or
Oh my gosh.
Yung talagang
I do a lot of Chinese weddings who
Na
have
malalaking
Ilang
2,000,
2,000
attendees.
2,000 attendees. Pero siguro sa kilala ng tao, I guess it was Ding Dong Marian that had about 1,000 guests in MOA Arena nonetheless.
Yun, buong
Full force yun.
Full
Ilang
force
photographers
na yun,
mo pag ganun kalaking wedding?
Siguro pag ganun kalaki na. Well, si Zainab, she requested 12.
Wow.
Madami na yung
photographers.
12. Madami
Super
12.
dami yun.
Dami 12.
For Zainab, to be honest, hindi kailangan ng 12. Kasi ang bisita niya noon, 100 lang yata kami. I was ninang
Kanya-kanya.
also. But si Zainab, since syempre content creator yan, she really wanted all angles na walang mapakawalan.
Gets.
Saka ang ginawa kasi ni Zainab, di ba, was bawal.
Bawal.
Walang iba eh.
Yes.
So itong 12 lang na to, tas wala na
Wala
iba.
na.
Yeah.
So doon lang manggagaling lahat ng
Unplug.
content.
Oo,
Yes. So parang the task of my photographers was really to make sure na hindi naman makukulangan ng pictures lahat ng attendees.
Kasi ito na yun eh.
Halos may naka-assign sa bridesmaids lang, sa mommy lang,
Yeah.
sa daddy lang. You get? Kasi wala
Yeah.
kaming cellphone lahat nun. So, yun yung beauty naman pag unplugged. But yeah, so all the photos came from us. But again, yung biggest number was Ding Dong Marian.
Can I ask, since nakita mo yung rise ng social media and also yung evolution ng mga weddings ngayon, nag-iiba eh. Kasi ito na yung mga Gen Z eh.
Yes.
Iba na eh.
Mm.
Ano yung difference na nakita mo when it comes to weddings?
Super dami, actually. And you know what? On that note, I wanted to say na rin, no? Kasi sabi ko nga, pupulsuhan mo yung audience mo, yung kliyente mo. Hindi pwedeng you stay stagnant. May iwan ka sa trend eh. So, nung na-realize namin that my brides now are really the Gen Zs and the millennials, nag-pivot kami. Okay? So, we launch, it's called the Hard Launch Package. It's an all-new package just meant for the Gen Zs and the millennials in mind. We heard them, and we listened to what they wanted, and we created it specifically for them. Anong kasama?
Okay.
Curious tuloy ako.
Syempre may photographer, videographer yan, di ba? Pero ang kasama dyan, na usually wala sa traditional packages is may content creator na. Okay? And then we offer yung bride takeover. They love that. Na parang yung cellphone ni bride, iti-take over ng content creator ko. For the day,
So may cellphone shots na.
may real-time posting si bride.
Wow!
Nakakala mo siya yung nagpo-post.
Galing!
Galing na.
Ang galing. So it's a
na.
bride takeover content creation. And we also place there yung NP Retro. Nakakatuwa to, no? Kasi lahat naman ng bagay bumabalik-balik.
Nostalgia naman to.
Exactly. So ang uso ngayon sa mga Gen Z, gusto nila yung feel of nostalgia. very handycam, retro, old
Uso ngayon
feels.
yun eh.
Uso ngayon yun. So we have that as well. And kasi nga ang Gen Z gusto nila authenticity, right? So nothing too curated, nothing too directed. So gusto nila mas raw, mas gusto. So, yan yung mga bagay na wala doon. Number 3, naglagay na kami doon ng after-party photographer and after-party videographer na dating traditional package wala. Kasi ngayon, dati ang after-party, afterthought. Parang, okay, kung sino magsistay, o di lika, inom tayo. Ngayon, sa Gen Z,
Yun pa nga
naramdaman
yung-
ko, yun na yung main thing, halos. They wanna squeeze in as short as possible the main program para makaparty
Party
na
na.
sila.
Party na kagad, no?
Dati
So,
magsa-start,
umiiksi yung
umiiksi yung program. They just keep the really important ones, like speeches from before. 10 yung magsispeech ngayon.
Ngayon, dalawa
Tig-isa na lang, bawat pamilya. Tapos, dati, maraming mga pakulo na
Games.
kanta, sayaw, etc. Games na wala na rin yun. Kasi they want to start the party with their friends and their loved ones. So, kung dati nagsisimula after party 12 midnight, ngayon 9 p.m.
Wow.
Pak na. So, kailangan may dedicated after-party photographer and videographer kasi that's also where the magic happens.
Alam mo, ang galing din niya mag-isip kasi ng mga paandar.
Oo nga, yung mga Gen Z. Yung pinaka-basic lang yung ngayon kasi gusto mo portrait na yung shots mo eh.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oo.
So, may
sa
reels na
Instagram,
rin.
pag-
Instagram
Dati
eh.
puro landscape eh.
Yes. So, tama. We also have the Reels videographer na nakasunod sa couple no for the day. And yung isa pang medyo bago din ngayon na medyo nagugustuhan nila is yung film photography. So bumabalik siya. So
Yes.
meron na silang meron kaming isang photographer na mag-shoot ng old school film.
Galing.
Yeah.
Tsaka nakakatuwa. Alam nyo, Nice Print din po ang nagpauso dito sa Pilipinas nung QR code. So pumunta ka, pumarty ka tonight. Pumarty ka tonight. May bibigay silang QR code.
Yes.
Pag uwi mo ng bahay, scan mo yung QR code, mag-face scan ka, selfie,
Tas
lalabas lahat ng pictures
Lalabas
mo.
lahat.
Anong tawag doon?
Galing,
NP
ah.
Magic. It's called NP Magic.
Oh.
It's pre-selected photos mo na AI generated with face recognition. Agad-agad. Hindi ka na mag-scroll to
Yeah, dati
1,500.
mag-scroll ka.
Dami.
Yeah.
Dadalawa lang yung picture ko. Hanapin ko sa 1,500. Ang dami. So ngayon, if i-feed sa'yo nung program namin, yung NP Magic, just your photos. And it's amazing. It's a game changer. I think yung mga brides and grooms namin and corporate clients, talagang tuwang-tuwa sila. Lalo na sa company brand events kasi hindi na sila mag-aantay ng matagal. Agad-agad trending yung event nila kasi nga meron na silang official photos na maipopost right there and then real time.
And it's also convenient for the guests.
Exactly.
Hindi mo na, send mo na sa akin yung mga picture.
Oo.
Ganyan.
Oo.
Di ba wala nang...
Tsaka si
Hindi na
bride
uso
and groom, hindi na kukulitin ng mga
kukulitin,
ninang-ninang the next day.
Oo.
Nag-honeymoon pa, kukulitin na. Pengi ako ng picture natin sa altar. Di ba?
Oo.
Para
Ano yung
makapost ako. Wala nang ganun.
instant.
Yeah.
Paano mo naisip yun?
Again, because I'm an observant through and through. I saw a niche that ito yung gap eh. Parang pupunta ako sa event. Kung hindi ko naman kilala yung official photo video, paano ako makakuha ng picture? So lahat nagkakasya na lang na cellphone picture, sometimes blurred pa. Syempre pag events, mood lighting, ang dilim-dilim mo, mukha ka ng avatar, di ba?
Oo.
Puro blue kayo,
Yeah.
etc. So that's when I thought that how can I give out these photos, these beautiful
As quick
photos
as
as quick as
possible.
possible? Because sayang eh, kung nasa hard drive lang ng couple and it's meant to be shared, right?
May natutunan ka bang bagong diskarte? Huwag kang matakot na sumubok. Para sa mga nanay na nag-aalinlangan, para sa mga kabataang takot mag-umpisa, at sa bawat manggagawang nagpapakapagod, para sa inyo to. Kung na-inspire ka, ipaalam mo sa amin. Mag-comment, mag-like, at i-share ang episode na to sa mga kailangan din ng push ngayon. Kita-kits sa Apple Podcasts, Spotify, at YouTube. Discarding Pinoy, powered by Converge. Sama-sama tayong lalaban sa mga aral ng buhay.